We're here with the 2015 RZR 900S, Alan's machine.
Yep.
And we've got some $100 eBay special red, tree kickers?
Nerf bars.
Nerf bars. We're going to see if it is worth the money. Let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got. These don't really have a brand name per se, so like I said, these are $100. Fits a variety of machines. This one's particularly a 900S. I believe it fits a 1000 and the 1000 XP as well. So we're just gonna look at them and see kind of if it's worth it and what you get. So initial impression, the shipping is probably a little lackluster. There's no packing material in here at all. Kind of just bang around. One of these I noticed right here, just from the shipping, it banged on itself in shipping. So that's one thing to consider when you're buying something so cheap, how they're going to ship it. So let's take a look at them and see how they look. Otherwise, they look pretty decent.
Let's see those welds.
The caps on the end are pretty rough. Not as finished as a more name brand product. These ones here aren't too bad, where they welded the tabs.
That's not bad.
Those aren't bad. So the ones you see on the side of the machine don't look terrible. But these ones on the end here are a little rough. Let's check the other one. No blemishes on this one as far as the powder coat. Maybe a little in here. They didn't get it quite in that seam.
See some gray in there.
Yeah. Same with these ends here. Welds aren't great.
Now you were explaining this to me earlier. The factory OEM ones don't have the flange.
Yeah, so if we look at the side of the machine, this is the wrong side, obviously. This one mounts with flanges to these bolts here. I believe the factory ones go inside these holes, and that's how they mount. So they're going to be a little stronger. I believe that's how they mount.
Interesting.
Pretty simple. We got a T40 torque spit. I'm just going to take these three out real quick. And put them back in.
We got a swivel.
Oh, come on.
Nicely done.
There it is.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Color matches closely. Which is this red anyway, which is the factory red, so. Honestly, these are, like I say, they were $100. The welds you're not gonna see too bad on them. Probably a thinner grade bar as well, so if you're planning on aggressively using these, it might not be worth it, but I pretty much bought them for aesthetics, so I think they'll do the job. Well, let's mount the other one and see what it looks like.
Not a lot of space in there, huh?
Could use a little more. Alright, we got them all mounted up. Wasn't too bad. It's 6 bolts, pretty easy. Nothing crazy. A little tight in there, but we got it. What I bought them for, I think they'll do fine. We'll test them out and see what happens if I do hit a tree or something with them. And maybe update a video or something. But for aesthetics, I think it'll work perfect. Maybe if you were looking for something a little more rugged, you might want to look into something other than eBay, but for what we're doing with it, I think they'll work out great. And if you like this video, let us know, like and subscribe, and we'll update it later and see how they go.